Good morning, my dear students. Class, today we are going to start with the last part of HTML, that is table, links, and CSS. Under that, we are going to do table today. So, class, let's start. So, class, table, you all know it is used to arrange data in the form of rows and columns. So class, in HTML, how to create a table? For that we have a tag named table. Now how to create, suppose this is my table. Now first row I want to create, so for that tr. Now data I want to feed, first data, second data, third data. For that td tag is used. There is one more tag that we call th, that is used for first table data only. Instead of table data we can use th for the first. If we will use th, then it will come bold, underline. In mobile it will come in underline also and bold also, but in computer you will see that it will come little bold. So tr is table row, td is table data. This is the full form. Now see, these are the tags. Table, to define a table, this is for table heading. If you want the heading as a dark, then you can use, otherwise you can use td also, that's not a problem. Now tr is for first table rows, td table data. These two, either td or either th, you can use anywhere. Next is your caption. Caption is something like table heading you want to form, like student detail, and that also in middle. So for that you will use the caption. So class, you see the syntax. This is often asked in examination. What is the syntax of creating a table? Table, then caption, then table row. This is table row close. This is your first row and this is your second row. Table row and table row. Again I am repeating. This is your first row started and this is closed. First row started and this is closed here. This is second row started and closed here. So this is one block, you can say, and this is another block of table. Now after that, close of the table needed, as I have told you in form also. That's all. Now class, I have created one table for you. This table, students detail. I want to create this table. So first of all I have to see how many rows I have created. So this is your row number. This is your row number 1, row number 2, row number 3, row number 4. This is your column number 1, column number 2, column number 3. And nothing is, you can see nothing is bold in this. So all are td. This is td, td, td we will use. So under first tr we will use 3 tds. Under second tr we will use 3 tds. Under third also and under fourth also. So in this way we can create. Now see the program that I have created. Class, you all know about this HTML. You have to write head, you have to write title, you can create, and head. Now class, body started here, and under that table tag I have used, and this is the attribute. Now class, see, you can see here in this border is coming, this lines are coming. How it is coming? Because I have given the border. If you will give if you will not give this, then no border will come, and without border it will not look like a table. I will show you that program also. So class, now you see caption I have made student detail, because I need to have student detail as a caption here. As a caption here, that's why. Now if we'll move to next, name, address, I want to have heading as name, then address, then class. So first TD, second TD, third TD under the TR. Similarly, Ajay Kumar, Ramnagar and 10th A. So for that also I have to make Ajay Kumar, Ramnagar, 10th A. So for that another. Now similarly for Vijay Singh, Kashipur, 10th B. Now Suman Sharma, Pirumadara, 10th C. And finally table is closed here. Finally this table is closed here and body is closed and HTML is closed. And finally the output, when you will see in your mobile or a computer, the same output will come. So class, I have finished with this. Next is another program for you to practice. In this program also, now let's analyze the output, how the output will come. Class, see, they have used table but not the border, so lining of the border will not come, it will not come. So how it will come? It will come, first row is serial number and the subject. Second row, you can see second row 1 and mathematics. Third row first data is 2 and subject is Hindi. So in this way it should come. Now see the output. See, in this way it is coming. Number, subjects 1 mathematics, 2 Hindi, and a table is coming because a caption is given here. This caption is given, that's why the table is coming, a table. And serial number and subjects, you can see it is coming bold. Why it is coming bold? Because it is given as TH and TH, not TD. You see this, that's why it is coming bold. So this you have to observe and you have to do. Now class, next is the border, that I have already told you, but border color I have not told you. We can have a border color also of our choice. For that we have border color as a attribute. So you can see that border they have given 5 and border color they have given blue. Teacher summary is a caption, so it will come at the top. These are 3 row headings, you can see that it will come, but they have given as TD, so it will not come bold. It will not come bold in your program. Now first data they have filled. First row is done. Second row, Rashmi 1, Rashmi mobile number and Moti Nagar. Similarly this second one. So how it will come? How will be the output? The output will be serial number, teacher name, phone number. It will come like serial number, teacher name, phone number and address. And after that it will come 1 Rashmi 8 9 and something Moti Nagar, 2 Nisha 9 9 and Kirti Nagar, and so on. Okay, so you can see that. And border they have given 5, so it is coming very dark in this. You can see that it is coming very dark because they have given border is equals to 5. And it is a black and white, so it is not coming as blue also. It, when you will do in your computer or a mobile, it will come as a blue color also. Now class, your next topic is cell padding and cell spacing. Cell padding, very important topic. This has come in last year examination also. It is used to add more space inside the cell, and it defines the space between the border, cell border and the cell content. Means suppose this is your cell and you have written name here. Now this gap, if you want to increase, you will give cell padding. Second, space between the cell, there are 2 cells and you want to increase this gap you want to increase, then you will use cell padding, cell spacing, sorry. So Class, now let's see a program for it. So program started here, and they have given cell padding as 8 and cell spacing as 8. Same program, teacher name, address, Rashmi, everything is same. But if you will see the output, there is coming more space than before. This space in between is also coming more, and space between this and the cell is also coming more than before. So you analyze yourself, go through it. And class, your next is we can add background also, as we have done background to a body. Background is a tag for body. Similarly, background is a tag for your table also. If you want a background, then means suppose this is my table, and these are the cells, and you want add in background, you want one picture or anything, or any animation, any animation I'm saying, any like watermark type, so you can add to it. So this is the thing. BG color again, they have said BG color also we can have. BG color, background, BG color, these are two attribute of body tag also, and this is the attribute of table also, because table is itself a space where we can fill a background and where we can fill a color also. So you try this. So next is the width attribute. Width we can give in percentage and pixel. Table width, size of the table, means width means here width, suppose your table is coming like this and you want to enlarge it, then you will use the width option. So let's see. Now they have given width as 70%, they have reduced, so it will come little, if suppose table is like this, it will come little small. You have to try all these programs. Now this is actually this is, it is looking like some mistake, but it is not, it is the background picture. They have whatever the picture they have used in this, you can see that background design.jpg. so maybe some design is like that, so it is filled in the background, and it shows like this. So class, that's all. You have to go till here, till Saturday you have time, so you do till here and we will continue. That's all class, and wherever will be the problem you can ask me. That's all class.